Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. You'll see before you is a dirty pool. This is Roger the Robot. He's been featured on this show a lot of times because he's been fixed a lot of times. But he's struggling again, and I generally like to have another pool robot. I did a review of a Hayward one that we picked up for about $300, which worked pretty well, but it died after the first year. So that was too bad. They gave us our money back for it, though. And anyway, so what we're here to do today is unbox this bad boy. Not the kid, but what he's sitting on. This is the Viper. I guess they kind of flipped the V into an A, or the Aiper. I don't know. Anyway, cordless robotic pool cleaner. Yeah, Aiper Seagull SE. And we're going to unbox them. We're going to get them charged up. And we're going to set them loose in the pool. And we'll let you know how all of that turns out. So stay tuned. Okay, we're ready for the unboxing. There we go. This Whoa. Whoa. Oh, we got a nice little letter here.
Where?
Oh, they sent us some sort of a letter.
I can hold that.
You can hold that? You want to open that up?
Sure.
And then this appears to be the unit here. I might need to put the phone down. I'm just going to stop recording here while I pull this out. Stand by. Okay, so we've got a few things that came with it. I'll get you to wait 1 second, Hudzy, to open that up. Comes with this nice little bring vacation home, piece of cardboard. In the envelope was some instruction manuals. And how about you do the honors, Hudzy, and take this off? It's very nicely protected with foam. And there we have probably the charging cable. And let's see what we have here. And what do you got there, bud? What's in there? Pull it out.
It's a charger.
Charging cable? Okay, so that's how it plugs in.
And some more stuff.
More stuff too, yeah. This is our guy right here. Oh, that's the hook to be able to get him out of the pool. That's cool. So that would attach to
the wheel.
To our skimmer hole. All right, we got a bunch of stuff in there. Some scrubbers, it looks like. Okay, let's be careful. Don't lose anything.
And
another wheel. Okay, a couple wheels. So we'll have a little bit of installation to do. And here, I'm going to lift him up. Hudson, can you pull the bag off? Ooh, whoa. Wow. That looks pretty nice, eh? It's nice and light. Doesn't weigh much. Yeah, you want to pick him up? Go for it. Pull him by the handle. Yeah, not too heavy, eh? All right, good job. Okay, let's put him back down on the foam here. And we'll take stock of all our parts here and let you know what we got. Okay, first step it says, flip our guy over, and we're going to install the brushes here. So I have one of the brushes, and it looks like there's these two slots that pop right in, and it's going to make it click. It says, listen for the clicking sound. Oh, that was a clicking sound. That seemed pretty good. Take the other one, and wait for the click. There we go. Okay, that's that. Let's see what's next. Okay, cool. Good job. Good job on the camera, Hudzy. So now we're going to go here and demonstrate how to take the top off. So there's a clip back here at the front. Do that. And one here. And then basically just can lift that up. There's the motor. This is the debris filter. Okay, so this is where all the stuff will get caught, is down there. You're going to empty that out with the hose, clean it out. You're going to put this back on. And then this guy goes on. And you can see that there's a little bit of an indent here that lines up with this piece. Also, this piece here, if you can put the camera down, Hudson, can you point it to my finger? There's a little notch here. That's how you know you get that one in the right spot. So now we're going to take this and put it right on through that. Just kind of give it a little wiggle. And then we're going to push down on the sides until it clicks on both sides. And then we're going to clip. Yeah, you got it. So those click. We're set to go. So they send you a couple of extra wheels, which is pretty cool. They send you the retrieval hook. The one thing I can't figure out is these two pieces. I don't know what these are for. And in the packing list, it actually doesn't even list any of them. It says the cleaner, the charger, retrieval hook, user manual, brushes. Can you see that? Hold the camera up a little bit higher. And the two spare wheels. So I'm not really sure what those are for. We're going to keep them for now. And if we find out, watch your fingers, dude. Yep. We'll figure out what those are for, we'll let you know. And if anybody else knows what they are, put them in the comments. All right, so we're going to now charge them up. Let me see here for a second. Boop. Oh, we're really zoomed in. We'll just come back. Okay, we're charging now. So he didn't seem to be quite at full charge when we first turned him on, so we're going to give him a full charge. The connector was in the bottom, and then you get your plug there, turns green as it's working. So we're going to wait and see. I think it says when all the lights are solid, it's done. And then we'll give him a shot, and we'll let you know how it goes. We'll bring you along for the inaugural swim. We need a name for this guy, Hudzy. He is a Seagull. See? We'll come up with a good name. All right, update. It is the next morning. We are fully charged. We got 4 lights here. So we're going to unplug him, toss him in the pool, and see how he does. All right, we're all ready here. We're going to, I think it said to press the button, hold it, 4 lights come on, and we're going to toss him in the pool, and he should just start going once he kind of sinks to the bottom. So let's just see here. Oh, there he goes, look. Geez, he moves pretty quick, doesn't he? So, we'll see now how he does. The pool's pretty dirty. Oh, there's a big crash. The pool's pretty dirty, much dirtier than it normally would be. As mentioned, having a little bit of a problem with this guy over here. He needs to go back into the garage shop to see what's happening. But I'm curious. I'm going to mark the time. The time is 8:43 a.m. He's supposed to run for 90 minutes according to the box on a full charge. So we'll see. We'll check. I'll try to keep an eye on him and see when he kind of gives up. He does seem to be like just kind of blowing a lot of stuff around, but we'll give it time. See how much he's actually collecting. Again, because the pool's so dirty, it's possible that. Oh, is he stuck? Is he stuck there? Oh, I don't know. It might have been just because he was up on a bit of an angled slant there. So yeah, we'll give him some time here. See what he does. He seems to be kind of stuck in the shallow. Well, I should say it says on the box that it's not meant for pools with slopes, and this pool doesn't have a deep end in particular, but it is it's about 5 feet deep in the deep end, 3 feet deep here in the shallow end. So it is a gradual slope, but not like I think they mean on the box, like no big slopes. Yeah, this guy he drives all over the place. This is pretty cool. He does definitely seem to be picking stuff up. He goes really fast. He goes a lot faster than the Polaris does. That's Roger's the Polaris. So if he does last less than 90 minutes, it could be just because he's full. Like he might be just have too much gunk in him here, and he might need to clean out. So like I say, this is atypical with how dirty the pool is, but a good test. A good test for a new robot. So we'll let him go. We'll let him go here for a bit. I'll keep track of how long he lasts, and we'll give you a report on how the pool looks. Okay, a little update here. We've run him a couple times now. He is on his second tour of duty around the pool. I think he's done a great job, honestly, because the pool looks real good. We had him in once, and then he was out for a few days, and we got a little bit more dirt in the pool, and he's, he did just notice when he hits the drain, he backs up. Interesting. But anyway, he did a really good job the first time, and he did, I find, struggle a little bit, like over here. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but on certain parts of the edges, there's still a fair bit of dirt down that way, too, and a little bit here. So I find he's struggling, and I think that has probably more to do with the fact that this pool has like a bit of it's not just a square bottom, like the walls don't meet the floor at a 90-degree angle. They're like, it's kind of a ramp. Let's see if he shows us here what he's going to do. But I find it kind of goes halfway up, and then it's like almost like it gets a little bit confused as to whether it's like hitting a wall or not. He's going in a big circle now. I don't think he's going to hit the wall. Maybe it's something to do with just the route that he takes, that he's not hitting that little area. But anyway, overall, very impressed. For the cost, this thing was on Amazon for 199 Canadian dollars. I think I paid for it. It had like a $30 off coupon, and it was on 23% off. I think it's usually about $300. But what a steal. I always, like I say, I like having an extra robot around to be able to always have something that can get in and clean the pool. So yeah, the Aiper, I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna say 2 thumbs up. I did not empty him yet myself, but my wife did in between runs and said it was a little bit annoying to empty him, and I can sort of see that because, like, looking into the cavity where all the dirt would collect, there's a lot of like little, it's kind of like little sections and kind of grooves and just little pockets where a lot of the dirt can get. Oh, there he went right over the drain that time, no problem. I guess it was a bit messy to try and get it out. Not as easy as with the Polaris, but again, this is meant to be the the robot, quick and dirty, and do a 90% great job. And yeah, super happy. He really likes driving on that drain, man. Anyway, if anything else interesting develops, we'll be sure to update this video. But if not, we'll run it a few more times. See, there he is up on the edge. He kind of just stops. He got a little bit of that stuff this time. Anyway, like I say, if anything else is interesting that we learn, I will add it to the video. And if this is the end of the video, then that's all we have to say about that. So, catch you next time on Fixing Random Crap with Craig.